Have you ever stopped to think about what your body is doing right now? Probably not. And honestly, who has the time? You're busy. You have things to do, places to be, cats to pet, snacks to eat, and memes to scroll. But while you're living your life, there's a whole universe of activity happening inside you. Your body is like a bustling city that never sleeps. A metropolis of trillions of cells, each with its own job, schedule, and, let's be honest, probably a little bit of drama. If your cells had a group chat, it would be absolute chaos. It's working 24/7, performing millions of complex tasks without you even having to think about it. From the moment you're born to your very last breath, this incredible organic engine is on the job. No coffee breaks, no vacation days. Imagine if you had to consciously manage everything your body does. You'd be overwhelmed in about 3 seconds. Did I remember to blink? Is my heart still beating? Wait, did I just forget to breathe? It would be like trying to juggle flaming swords while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. Luckily, your body runs on the most sophisticated autopilot system ever designed. Billions of years of evolution have fine-tuned this masterpiece of biological engineering. It's like having a team of expert engineers, mechanics, and IT support living inside you. Except they never ask for a raise. Your body is a chemist, a security guard, a power plant, and a supercomputer all rolled into one squishy, carbon-based package. It's a self-repairing, self-regulating marvel that we often take completely for granted. And get this, your body makes about 2 million red blood cells every second. That's like filling an Olympic swimming pool with tiny delivery trucks, every day. And here's a fun fact. Your stomach gets a brand new lining every few days, just in case you decide to eat something questionable. Your bones, they're constantly being remodeled, like a never-ending home renovation show. So next time you catch yourself daydreaming, remember, your body is hard at work, running a symphony of systems all perfectly coordinated. You are, quite literally, a walking, talking, self-sustaining miracle of nature. And that, my friend, is something worth celebrating. First up on our tour is the wild world of cell regeneration. Imagine your body as a never-ending construction site, with a crew that never takes a coffee break. Hard hats, tool belts, and all. Except these workers are microscopic and way more efficient than any human team. Picture millions of tiny builders, some with blueprints, some with sledgehammers, tearing down old, worn-out cells and putting up shiny new ones faster than you can say renovation. Scientists estimate your body replaces about 330 billion cells every single day. That's like rebuilding the entire Empire State Building over and over while you binge watch your favorite show. Your skin? It's like the construction crew's favorite project. Old cells are constantly being swept away like sawdust, while new ones are laid down so you can heal from paper cuts and keep looking fresh. The lining of your gut? It gets a full makeover every few days. Because, let's face it, digestion is a demolition derby. And get this, your stomach lining is replaced so often, it's basically the world champion of home makeovers. If only kitchen remodels happened this fast. Even your bones are in on the action. Specialized cells called osteoclasts and osteoblasts are like rival construction teams. One group breaks down old bone, while the other builds it back up, stronger than before. This process, called remodeling, keeps your skeleton sturdy and ready for anything, from jumping jacks to dance battles. So next time you stub your toe or get a scrape, just remember, your body's wacky team of microscopic builders is already on the job, patching you up with more skill than any TV renovation crew. And they never, ever ask for overtime pay. Meet your body's very own superhero squad, the Immune League. Every day your body is under attack by sneaky villains, bacteria, viruses, and fungi, all plotting to invade your turf. But fear not. The Immune League is always on patrol, ready to leap into action at the first sign of trouble. First up, we have Captain Neutrophil, the speedy first responder. Whenever a villainous germ breaks in, Captain Neutrophil rushes to the scene, gobbling up invaders like a pro. Then there's Mac, the macrophage, the cleanup crew with a big appetite for trouble, always ready to call in backup if things get messy. But wait, here come the secret agents, B-cell and T-cell. B-cell is the gadget master, launching antibody missiles to tag the bad guys, while T-cell is the stealthy ninja, hunting down infected cells with precision moves. Together, they make sure no villain escapes justice. The best part? The Immune League never forgets a face. Once they've defeated a villain, they keep a secret file. So if that germ tries to sneak in again, the team is ready for an instant takedown. It's like having a superhero memory bank. So next time you sneeze or scrape your knee, remember, your Immune League is on the job, fighting epic battles and keeping you safe, all in a day's work. Now that's a team worth cheering for. When you go to sleep, your brain doesn't just clock out. It throws the wildest office party in town. Picture neurons in party hats, confetti flying, and a conga line of memories weaving through your mind. While you're snoring, your brain's cleaning crew is vacuuming up mental dust bunnies. The file clerks are sorting your thoughts, and the IT team is running system updates. And just when you think things can't get wilder, the dream department takes over. Suddenly, your brain is directing a blockbuster movie starring you, a talking llama, and a flying pizza. REM sleep is basically your brain's version of open mic night. Anything goes. But it's not all fun and games. Your brain is also a master organizer. It sorts your memories, files away the important stuff, and even deletes those embarrassing moments you wish you could forget. Well, most of them. Sorry about that one time in 3rd grade. Meanwhile, your heart is the ultimate DJ, spinning tracks and keeping the beat going strong all night long. It started its set before you were even born and hasn't missed a beat since. About 100,000 times a day. No requests, please, it's got its own playlist. The real magic? Your heart has its own built-in sound system, the SA node, your body's natural pacemaker. It automatically speeds up when you're running from imaginary monsters in your dreams, and chills out when you're snoozing. So tonight, as you drift off, remember, your brain and heart are throwing the best after-hours bash in the universe, just for you. Congratulations, Science Explorer. We've reached the halfway point in our tour of the amazing human body. If you're having fun and want to keep your curiosity muscles strong, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to join our official science squad. Drop your wildest science questions in the comments. Let's make this the most curious corner of the internet. Now, let's talk about energy. Every move you make, dancing, thinking, even blinking, needs fuel. And where does it come from? That's right, food. Imagine your favorite snack as a superhero, suiting up to power your next adventure. Your digestive system is like a wild amusement park ride for food, turning pizza, apples, or broccoli into pure, usable energy. Deep inside every cell, there's a tiny, energetic powerhouse called the mitochondrion. Think of it as the ultimate battery pack. These little dynamos take the fuel from your food and turn it into ATP, the energy currency of life. Fun fact, you have so many mitochondria. If you lined them up, they'd stretch for miles. So next time you run, jump, or even laugh, thank your mighty mitochondria for keeping you charged up and ready for action. Your brain isn't just a computer that thinks. It's more like a bustling library, open 24/7, with billions of tiny librarians called neurons. These librarians are constantly writing, filing, and retrieving information, making sure every memory and fact is right where you need it. Every time you learn something new, your brain's librarians build fresh connections, like adding a new book to the shelf. And when you remember your best friend's birthday or the lyrics to your favorite song, those librarians are hard at work, flipping through the stacks at lightning speed. But that's not all. Your brain's librarians are also expert multitaskers. They can help you remember a phone number, solve a puzzle, and daydream about pizza, all at the same time. Talk about impressive. Meanwhile, your endocrine system is like a super speedy mail service, delivering chemical messages, hormones, throughout your body. These mail carriers travel by bloodstream, making sure every organ gets the right message at the right time. Hormones control everything from your growth spurts to your mood swings. Ever wonder why you suddenly feel hungry, sleepy, or super happy? Thank your body's chemical mail carriers for delivering those important messages. Now let's talk about breathing. It's not just in and out. It's a perfectly choreographed dance. Your diaphragm, lungs, and a team of muscles move in harmony, keeping you alive without you even noticing. In fact, you take about 20,000 breaths a day. Each one is a step in this amazing dance, automatically adjusting to your body's needs, whether you're running, laughing, or just chilling on the couch. And don't forget your skin, the body's largest organ and its most fashionable outfit. Your skin is constantly renewing itself, shedding millions of dead cells daily while growing new ones, keeping you protected and looking fresh. So, the next time you remember a fact, feel a rush of excitement or take a deep breath. Give a little thanks to your brainy librarians, speedy mail carriers, and your body's dance crew. They're working behind the scenes to keep you at your best, every single day. Let's take a leap into the future. Imagine a world where your doctor prescribes a nanobot smoothie, your smartwatch reminds your cells to regenerate, and your fridge gives you a pep talk about healthy snacks. Scientists are already working on regenerative therapies, brain-computer interfaces, and personalized medicine that could make all this, and more, a reality. The line between biology and technology is getting blurrier by the day, and honestly, it's starting to look pretty cool. Picture this: therapies that supercharge your cellular construction crew, immune cells trained like ninja warriors to fight off disease, and memory-boosting headbands that help you finally remember where you left your keys. Maybe one day we'll have apps that let us download new dance moves or update our sense of humor. The future could be full of surprises, some practical, some just plain hilarious. As we wrap up our tour of your inner universe, just remember, every day your body performs a symphony of tasks so complex, even the fanciest supercomputer would be jealous. We are, each of us, living, breathing miracles, capable of laughter, curiosity, and the occasional awkward dance move. So go ahead, marvel at your own awesomeness. So the next time you feel your heart beating, take a moment to appreciate the incredible, hilarious, and downright miraculous machine that is you. Your body is not just a vehicle for your mind. It's your lifelong dance partner, your personal science experiment, and your ticket to the greatest show on Earth. Stay curious, stay amazed, and remember, you are, without a doubt, the most extraordinary thing you'll ever own. Now go out there and give your cells something to talk about.